Hi, this is Powered by Rise, and we are the pioneer of upgradable electrical motorcycle charging station. So for the deal, we as a manufacturer of charging station, in the B2B scheme, we sell our charging station by the price of $3,000 to the building owner. And in turn, they will respect to us for the upgrade of system or increase of more charging port by the price of $250 per port. After they have the charging station, in the B2C scheme, the building owner could provide the charging service to the rider, and the rider will pay the charging fee. In turn, we receive the charging fee, we will service the station and transfer the building owner the share profit and electrical costs. So when it comes to the market, we realize that the beachhead market is more because of following criteria. More have a very good impact and publicity due to a very high customer flow, and more have a very good sales process, and they are very well funded, and they have a lot of the sustainable department availability and environmental awareness. After the more, we consider for the medium term as petrol station and factory, and for the long term is apartment, campus, office, and public transport station. So when it comes to the customer value proposition, we provide the extra revenue income for the building owner, because for the normal parking lot, they could charge only on the entrance fee. But right now with the Powered by Rise, they could charge for entrance fee plus the charging fee. So for the product, our MVP and key product will be the bill vending charging station. It can be the main charging station that is weatherproof and vandal-proof. The outdoor charging port that basically come with 10 and also upgradable to maximum 40, and the programmable controller that support up to 100 plus ports, and e-payment, power monitoring, and vehicle communication, and also our bill machine. And our main competitive advantage is we are the first in the world to do a programmable and scalable electrical motorcycle charging station. And also we support up to 122 country bill, which means we are export ready. And also we don't have a competitor in similar range and technology. So when it comes to customer discovery, we realize that in the B-set market of shopping mall, we have around 710 shopping malls in Malaysia. And also, there's 88.5% of them is fall in category A, which is less than 500,000 square feet. So right now, the problem facing is a lot of the small malls, they receive less to no revenue income from motorcycle parking because they don't have that high value volume of customer flow. So that means they cannot provide a very good motorcycle parking lot condition to the motorcycle rider. And also they don't have a charging port available for the electrical motorcycle rider. And the solution is we increase the revenue for income for the building owner by providing our charging solution, and the revenue that increase will help in maintenance of the parking lot condition and also provide the charging to the electrical motorcycle rider. So the key finance is we can make the profit of 266,000 on a year because of the single product of $3,000. The reason of this is because the net price of the product is come from the selling of the charging station of $3,000, and also the profit sharing that come from the continuous B2C charging of $2,000. So even though in a 50% market share of the 355 customers is enough for us to make this profit. And also the key driver to our profit will be B2C sustainable revenue and a one-time off purchase of our charging station. That means it's very low maintenance. So when it comes to climate impact, the carbon dioxide tailpipe emission for vehicle per year for the petrol motorcycle is around 0.39 metric tons of carbon dioxide emission. But for the electrical motorcycle, it's actually 0 metric ton of carbon dioxide emission. So in the total, we could save for 13,340 metric ton of carbon dioxide saving for the deployment of 355 pieces of charging station in our beachhead market. So for our founder team, I'm the Cray Zhong, the founder of Powered by Rise, and Mr. Low and Mr. Wong is our co-founder for research and development, and Jen Ang is our co-founder for finance and environmental consultant. James Tay is our co-founder of our engineering team, and Alfred Zui is our co-founder for marketing leader. And each of them is very experienced and extensive and professional in their own field. So our target is to become the Elon Musk of two-wheel electrical vehicle and reach out to more than 50 poor and developing countries. And we hope that we could supply more than 100,000 charging stations within 5 years. This will provide 1 million charging ports and serving more than 10 million riders. Thank you.